Tonight, we're racing Laguna Seca in our Can-Am League, and it looks like this. Coming up next. Hello everybody, welcome back once again to Slot Car Racing, where we are racing our last league night using Can-Am and talking like William Shatner. But at any rate, no, we're back. And we're gonna race Laguna Seca right back here. And if you wanna, if you love this and you wanna build this in your own basement or, on top of a roof of a skyscraper or something, then you wanna check out my track build on my Patreon account. And there's a link down below in the description. So click on that, find out how to build this thing, and then come back and watch the race. Or you could just watch the race and then check this out after. But at any rate, we are going to race our last race night for our Can-Am cars, and it is going to be awesome. So now I invite you to come down and, well, let's go to the races.
Wouldn't make it. Wouldn't survive.
All right. Here we are at Laguna Seca. Setting up the ghost car again. Yeah, I tuned it a bit fast. So tonight we are not doing the card system. Trying it out. Seems to be okay. Now that Matt's not here to headhunt us. Hey Matt, how you doing? Hope you enjoyed the video. Anyway. Okay. So I set the camera in the crosses. Set up the mini cam to film the crosses, and now no one's crashing in the crosses. There we go. The pace car's causing mayhem. Oh wow. Oh, that'll be a good one. Good crash over here. Oh. The guys are thankful that we're not doing cards.
Oh yeah.
Everybody be out of the race right now. Okay, that's it. That pace car right there. So we have Glenn, Howard, Mark, and the pace car. Hey everybody, it's Trevor again, just cracking into the middle of this video because I want to share some great Facebook groups that I belong to. There's a whole bunch of people on these slot car groups that are amazing. They do amazing work. They're from all over the world and they've got some great things to show you. So if you love slot cars and you love these slot car videos and track builds and everything that I make, also join some of these Facebook groups because you can make some great friends out there like I have. So I belong to 11 slot car Facebook groups from all over the world, and these are what they are. There's Slot Car Racing Old School Club, which does a lot of vintage style slot car racing, one car, one track, non-digital. The Tri-State Slot Car Oval and Drag Racing group. That's a good friend of mine. He has his own club going on. There's Laines Slotway Racing Australia, if you're down under. The Original World of Slot Cars, whatever the scale. Scenics and Slot Tracks, that shows you how to build stuff. The Australian Slot Car Racers, hey guys. The 1/32nd scale Slot Car Scratch Builder, for all you guys that don't want to race Carrera cars or whatever, you want to make your own using like Revell model kits or something, or Limburg cars from the old days. Those are the guys to check out. Then there's a Slot Car Crazy. Haha, you crazy guys. How's it going? And then you got Slot Car Addict for you guys that are addicted to this. And then there's Slot Car Racers of the World. And then there's World Slot Cars. So all over the place, lots of people. I know a few guys from Germany on some of the the World Slot Car ones. And yeah, always fun to check out. So go check all those guys out in your Facebook groups and join up and tell them that Trevor at Monster Hobbies sent you. Here we are at the end of the race, back looking at our scoreboard for the last time for this league. And here we are way over here at Laguna Seca. There's a lot of close calls in here. So I got 35 points. Mark got 36. Kevin got 66. Came out way ahead. Howard got 19 and Glenn got 36. So me, Mark, and Glenn were very, very close in the standings. Actually, Mark and Glenn tied and I was just 1 point behind. So let's see how the scoreboard at the end of our league looks. And here we are at the end of the league with our Charlie's Angels sticker over here and our Tiki guy down there and our points right here. So I'm in second place with 358 points. Josh is in 7th with 38. Roger is in 8th with 17. Mark is in 3rd with 260. Howard is in 5th with 238. Glenn is in 4th with 251. And Daryl is in 6th place with 103. And as you can tell, we have a winner right here. That would be a Mr. Kevin with 401. Same cubic inch size as an AMC Javelin. Way to go, and thank you all for racing. All right, wasn't that a really awesome race? And I sure hope you enjoyed it. It was great to see that Kevin won the league again, which means I got to give him a car. I want to win the league because I want to keep the cars. But at any rate, no, congratulations, Kevin, and your car's on its way, actually. He's going to get the Moby Dick Porsche, which is cool, coming up. So that's going to be our next league. It's going to be those kind of cars. I forget what they're called, like Group 5 or something. But at any rate, we are going to race that next time. So I hope you can join us. And as always, like and subscribe, punch that thing, get the bell, get the notification so you know when our videos are coming out. And we will see you next time on Slot Car Racing. Hey guys, before I actually close this video, I actually forgot to mention something that's kind of important. If you like these videos and you want to give us a little tip or whatever, come visit us on our Patreon page. And if you become a patron, you can get your names listed in the credits of these videos, like these guys have got. As well as there's also cool things like if you join our Patreon page, I can send out stuff like stickers and t-shirts and all kinds of cool stuff just for you signing up at different tier levels. So why don't you come on down and support us on Patreon? And if you like, I can show you 4 videos, and they are previous races. They're right here, 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 and here. And then again, until next time, happy racing! Hello everybody, this is Trevor Selesky, Monster Hobbies, blah blah blah, whatever, and let's go to the races!